What is going on, guys? My name is Freddie Finance. I'm a licensed financial advisor. I hold a Series 7, the Series 66, the SIE, and the Florida 215, which allows me to sell life and health insurance. And in this video, I'll be going over what I think will happen to the stock market, crypto market, real estate markets during this recession. And I'd like to ask you, what do you think will happen? What is going to happen to the future of stocks? Well, we know they've been around since like the 1700s, so we can see the history of what recessions have done to the stock market. That's important. I really don't think anything fundamentally is going to change the stock market. Companies are going to derive value from their goods and services, and they'll profit and then provide shareholders equity. And then the best companies will rise in price based off how many shares are outstanding. Nothing's going to change in the stock market. Stick to the fundamentals there. Now, crypto is a whole other beast, kind of like a whole beast, like the Liver King says. What I mean by that is that the crypto market opened up in 2008 when Satoshi Nakamoto, just dropped Bitcoin on the internet, and then today, the asset class as a whole is worth more than $1 trillion. I call it a whole beast because the amount of money that's flowed into crypto is so much in that short time frame. And if you compare that $1 trillion of crypto to other assets like real estate or stocks or the Forex market, it's not as much of a whole beast in terms of monetary value, but it is going to be a big beast. We know that. And in the short time span of this crypto market, we've seen meme coins make 15-year-olds multimillionaires. And then we've seen coins get rug pulled. Wild, wild west stuff. So I think the future of cryptocurrency is going to derive from what utility the tokens of the market are going to provide. I'm sure you've heard that 99% of these tokens are going to fail. Well, I agree with that. So that's why it is so important to study and research the cryptos you plan to invest in. And last, but certainly not least, what is going to happen with the real estate markets? I definitely think owning physical real estate is going to be the most important asset class to own in the future. But with mortgage rates rising, the future of real estate tells me that it's going to be a little harder to get a loan. With housing prices relatively staying the same, that tells me that demand is staying stagnant. But with rising interest rates making it harder to get a loan for a house, that means eventually the prices of these houses will have to correct. In turn, I think going down. But with the economy as a whole being where it's at, I don't think we're going to see a 2008 type of real estate crash, but prices should correct based off what I just said. It's always important to watch exactly what the Fed does with monetary policy because it's all about borrowing at the right time and taking loans on the right assets. And if you learned one thing from this, please hit a like, hit a share, subscribe for more. My name is Freddie Finance, and I will catch you guys on the next video.